CATIA V5. So let's take a look. I have the following layout over here. I have some walls that are padded, and I have an STL file of a surgery table over here added. Now, if you take a look at the surgery table, this was added over here between pad 2 and pad 3. And if you want to activate pad 3, you also need to right click and define the work object all the way over here. And that will also activate the top element. Now, let's see. We want to scale the surgery table over here. So since this is an STL file, I will need to select it. Within Digital Shape Editor, I will go to Insert, Transformation, and we're going to see Scaling over here. For the scaling, we need to define a reference. In this case, I will just right-click, create a point, and that point will be in 0, 0, 0. And afterwards, you're going to have the scaling ratio, which will be the factor. For example, if I'm going to make this 1.3, we're going to see how the new STL will be positioned over here. If I will scale this all the way to 2, for example, we're going to see that in this case, the ground plane, which was initially hidden by the pad of the wall, will also be scaled. So that should be trimmed if you want to make this surgery table a little bit higher. We can also go with 0 point ratio, for example 0.5, and as we can see, this will be half the size of the original surgery table. Now, if you also want to deform this using scaling, we can do that, but we need to go to Transformation, Affinity. And over here, again, I need to specify the origin, and afterwards I can define the ratio for each axis. For example, if I want to make this wider, I can increase the ratio on X, and with preview, we're going to see that in this case, the X axis will go like this. So this will make it longer. If you want to make it wider on the Y axis, we see the orientation over here. I will add 1.5. And if you also want to make it higher on the height, Z axis 2, I will click preview, and we're going to see the new STL surgery table will be positioned like this. So this is the power of Digital Shape Editor. If you want to convert some rapid STL files to create a layout, you can easily do that. So I hope you find this video useful. I will position an animation over here on the bottom, a similar video on the left side, and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.